if you are going to look at selling your company, either in the near future or in the not too distant future, some things that you need to be careful about. One, what does your shareholder agreement say? Do all of the shareholders need to be on board with selling? Can they stop you from selling if you find a good buyer? And the second thing is your company actually in a position to sell? Now, especially your compliance. So if you are sending your contractors off to Germany, for example, and you're not checking they can legally work there, that's going to knock money off your sale value, because that is a risk. It's a big risk for people, because the German government might turn around to the new buyer and say, you owe us some money, and it's going to flow down that chain, and you are going to be liable for paying the government this huge fine. So that money that the new buyer might potentially have to pay, that's going to come off your sale cost. You also need to look at your contracts. What are you actually being able to sell? So if you have a contract with Joe Bloggs, Joe Bloggs is currently paying you 50 grand a month on a retainer basis. If you then sell based on that contract, does that contract follow on to the buyer, or does Joe Bloggs have the capability to terminate that contract? And as such, it might not form part of that sale value.